Hi! Welcome back sa Ravens Journal. Kung nagbabalak kang bumili ng bahay, siguradong naguguluhan ka sa pag-ibig housing loan versus bank loan. Pareho silang may advantages at disadvantages, at mahalagang malaman mo kung alin ang mas swak sa budget at sa pangarap mong bahay. Kaya sa video na ito, compare natin ang interest rates, approval, down payment, at monthly amortization para mas malinaw ang desisyon mo. Pag-ibig housing loan. Government-backed loan. Para sa miyembro ng pag-ibig. Flexible sa minimum income earners. Bank loan. Offered by private banks. Minsan mas mabilis ang approval. Mas strict sa requirements at credit standing. Interest rates. Pag-ibig interest rates. Mas mababa sa long term. Fixed interest options hanggang 30 years. Stable kahit magbago ang market. Bank interest rates. Minsan mababa sa umpisa. Short fixing period, 1 to 3 years. Pwedeng tumaas after repricing. Down payment and loan amount. Pag-ibig. Lower down payment. Mas forgiving sa appraisal. Loanable amount depende sa income at contributions. Bank. Higher down payment. Mas strict sa appraisal. Loanable amount depende sa high income. Tip. First-time home buyer. Mas beginner-friendly ang pag-ibig. Approval and requirements. Pag-ibig. Longer processing time. May additional requirements for OFWs. Consider it sa average income earners. Bank. Sometimes faster approval. Strict sa credit history. Higher income requirement. Tip. Kung may strong credit at high income, bank loan is fine. Average income. Go pag-ibig. Loan term and monthly amortization. Pag-ibig. Up to 30 years. Lower monthly amortization. Bank. Usually up to 20 years. Higher monthly payments. Tip. Mas mababang monthly, mas pasok sa budget. Pag-ibig wins. Alin ang mas okay para sa'yo? Choose Pag-ibig housing loan kung first-time buyer, OFW, average income, gusto mo long-term at stable payments. Choose bank loan kung high income, excellent credit history, gusto ng mabilis na approval, shorter loan term. Walang one size fits all. Depende sa sitwasyon mo. Kung nakatulong ito sa'yo, like at subscribe para updated ka sa Pag-ibig Housing Loan Series at sa iba pang mga videos. Sa susunod nating video, pag-uusapan natin, Pag-ibig Housing Loan, New House versus Pre-owned House, para alam mo kung alin ang mas madaling ma-approve. Stay tuned at kita-kits sa Ravens Journal.